Are you tired of losing all your open Google Chrome tabs every time you shut down your computer? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that ensures your tabs stay open, so you can pick up right where you left off without missing a beat. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or doing research, this method will save you time and hassle. First, open your Google Chrome browser. It doesn't matter whether you're on your homepage, a search results page, or any other site. The process is exactly the same. Now, look to the top right corner of your browser. You'll see three vertical dots. This is the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, focus on the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the section labeled On Startup. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a few options, but to make sure your tabs reopen exactly as you left them, select Continue where you left off. That's it. From now on, every time you open Chrome, whether after closing it or even after a full computer shutdown, your browser will automatically reload all the tabs from your last session. This is incredibly useful if you tend to keep 20, 30, or even more tabs open at once. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you ever need to tidy up your browser without losing your tabs, open a new tab by clicking the plus sign next to your current tabs. Then right-click on that new tab and select Close Other Tabs. This will instantly close everything else, leaving your new tab clean and ready for work. By combining these settings and tricks, you'll streamline your browsing experience, stay organized, and save a lot of time. No more hunting through your history or trying to remember which tabs you had open. And there you have it, a simple, foolproof way to keep Google Chrome tabs open even after shutting down your computer. If this tip helped you, make sure to try it out and see how much smoother your workflow can become. Happy browsing!